In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get rows and cells from an Excel worksheet in Power Automate and Logic apps. This is an essential skill when you're aiming to automate processes and efficiently manage your data. Let's dive right into the process, ensuring that each step is clear and easy to understand. First, we'll begin by creating a new flow. To do this, navigate over to Power Automate and sign into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the option to create a new flow. You'll want to click on Create, and then choose to start with an Instant Cloud Flow. Now, this flow needs a name, so type in something relevant that will remind you of its purpose. After you've provided a suitable name, the next step is to select a trigger for your flow. For instance, you might choose Manually Trigger a Flow if you'd like to initiate the process yourself each time. Next, let's talk about adding an Excel connector. On your flow creation page, you'll see an option to add a new step. Click on the plus New Step button to proceed. In the search bar, type Excel Online, OneDrive. This will help you access Excel-related actions. From the options available, select List Rows Present in a Table. This action allows you to access data stored in your Excel file. Now, moving on to configuring this action, you'll need to specify the location of your Excel file. Choose OneDrive since we're focusing on files stored in the cloud. Then, browse your files to select the exact Excel document you wish to work with. Once you've chosen your file, select the particular table within the Excel file that holds the data you're interested in. It's important to ensure that your table is formatted correctly in Excel before you start this process, as this can affect how well the data is retrieved. With the action configured, the retrieved rows are now ready to be used. This is where the power of automation really starts to shine. For example, you can loop through each row of your data using the Apply to Each control. This feature allows you to process the data per row, which can include actions like sending an email, updating a database, or even transforming the data into another format. And that's it. You've successfully set up a process to retrieve rows and cells from an Excel worksheet using Power Automate and Logic apps. This can vastly improve how you handle data tasks and streamline routine processes. Remember, as you become more familiar with these tools, you can customize and expand your flows to tackle even more complex scenarios. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.